Operating a loader is a critical job that requires focus, skill, and attention to safety. In this video, we'll cover the essential practices every operator should follow before, during, and after operating the machine to keep yourself, your crew, and the job site safe. Part 1, Daily Equipment Checklist. Before any loader operation begins, a complete daily inspection must be done. Always complete and document your daily pre-use inspection checklist. This helps prevent breakdowns, injuries, and unnecessary downtime. Start with a full walk around of the equipment. Look for any visible damage, loose parts, or signs of wear. Check for leaks under the machine and around all hydraulic lines, fittings, and cylinders. Make sure the tires are properly inflated and free of cuts, cracks, or embedded debris. Inspect the lug nuts for rust around them, can be a sign that one is loose. Next, check all fluid levels: engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, and fuel. Low levels could be a sign of a leak or other issue. When adding fuel or oil, always do so carefully. Avoid introducing dirt or debris into the system. Cleanliness is critical to keeping your engine and hydraulics in good shape. Inspect and clean the cooling package, including the radiator, cooler, and any airflow screens. Built-up dust or debris can restrict airflow and cause the machine to overheat. Inspect the bucket and linkage. Look for cracks, worn edges, or missing teeth. Be sure to inspect both the cutting edge and the heel plate of the bucket, as these areas take on the most wear and can affect performance and structural integrity. Check the pins and bushings to make sure everything is tight and well lubricated. Grease all lubrication points daily. This step goes a long way in preventing joint wear and equipment failure. Open the engine compartment and check the battery terminals for corrosion. Corroded terminals can cause electrical issues or prevent the loader from starting altogether. Confirm all safety features are in place and working. That includes lights, horn, backup alarm, seatbelt, fire extinguisher, and mirrors. The cab should be clean and free of clutter that could interfere with operation. Finally, start the machine and let it idle. Listen for unusual sounds. Watch the gauges, make sure all warning lights clear, and the machine builds proper pressure. Test the brakes and steering and make sure all controls respond smoothly. If you have questions or concerns, consult the operating manual for guidance. Completing this checklist every day ensures you're operating a safe, ready machine and gives you a chance to catch small problems before they become big ones. Part 2, Safe Operation Practices. Once the inspection is complete, it's time to focus on operating safely. Make sure your task training document is recorded and fully completed. Always mount and dismount using 3 points of contact. Never jump from the machine. Buckle your seatbelt before moving. Be aware of your surroundings. Know where other workers, vehicles, and overhead hazards are at all times. Use your mirrors, cameras, and backup alarm, but never rely on them alone. If visibility is poor, ask for a spotter. When operating, cell phone use is strictly prohibited. Operate the loader at a controlled, steady pace. Avoid sudden movements or sharp turns, especially when carrying a load. Keep the bucket low when traveling to maintain stability and visibility. Never overload the bucket. Follow the manufacturer's recommended capacity and distribute material evenly. Avoid lifting the bucket too high when not necessary. It raises your center of gravity and increases tip-over risk. Watch for changes in terrain. Soft ground, uneven surfaces, or slopes can all affect machine stability. When operating on a slope, travel straight up or down, never sideways. When dumping material, make sure the area is clear and stable. Never dump too close to the edge of a trench, stockpile, or slope. Keep your hands on the controls and avoid distractions. When finished, lower the bucket fully to the ground, engage the parking brake, and shut the machine down. If it's the end of the day, perform a post-operation walk around to catch leaks, damage, or new issues.